To celebrate reaching 100 subscribers, I'm going to do something special today. I've got an old Lionel train set from over 60 years ago. This is a 027 gauge set that was bought through the Spiegel's catalog 60 plus years ago. I'm not exactly sure of what year it was, but I know it was greater than 60, more than 60 years ago. And we're going to start that up and we're going to try and run it. Now, I've dropped a little oil in the wheels, a little lube in the gears, and I know this thing has not ran for at least 30 years, but I'm hoping today it's going to actually run. So we're going to get started right now. In order to be able to hear the old locomotive running, the old train set running, I'm going to keep all the other train sets turned off on my layout. So that'll be the only one going, and we'll see what it sounds like. This train consists of a locomotive and a tender. Then there's a gondola car. The next car up in the consist is actually a rocket car, and that little spinning rocket fired out of that little plastic holder back in the day. There were actually two rockets with it. The other one was on another holder that was mounted on there that's disappeared somewhere along the way. And then the car behind it, that's labeled high explosives, is kind of misshapen and lopsided. That's because this car, when it was hit with one of those rockets, would fly apart. It's spring-loaded on the inside, and it would explode in the pieces that would fly all over the room. Lots of fun when I was a boy playing with this. And finally, there's the caboose on the train. This was the first Lionel train set I ever owned. I shared it with my brother. It was an 027 gauge set, and I'm amazed it still runs, and it still runs quite well. I'm not going to push my luck and run it any further today, but that is an engine that hasn't run for at least 30 years, and it's over 60 years old. So it's been sitting on a shelf, kind of a collector's item since the last time I had it working. And I thought I'd bring it out today to celebrate 100 subscribers on this channel. And to all of you who have subscribed, I appreciate your time in watching my videos and subscribing. And I'd ask you, if you would, please click the thumbs up below and like this video. If you're not a subscriber and you haven't subscribed, please do so, and you'll be notified of all my future videos. I'm continuing to build and expand a Lionel Polar Express layout in traditional O gauge. Thanks for watching.